My people, not be small matter they go on. Oh. Hey, president, Gabon president, he don't send message give all his supporters. He say make them make noise. He say military don already. He said they don't back in. They don't. More na hear wetin the man talk. This video na dey look so. Na the man na be president of Gabon. Make una hear wetin he talk. The message wey he send give all his supporters. He don dey beg una make una come rescue am. Make I leave the video, more and watch am.
I'm Ali Bongo Ondimba, President of Gabon, and I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world to tell them to make noise, For the people here have arrested me and my family. My son is somewhere, my wife is in another place, and I'm at the residence. Right now, I'm in the residence and nothing happening. Nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make noise, really. I'm thanking you. Thank you.